Good morning student, this is Preeti More and I welcome you all today's YouTube video. In the last video, we have completed chapter 5, the Savarnaha grassland. About its location we have seen, about its climate, about its vegetation and about its wildlife and human occupation. Which kind of birds and animal found there and what type of occupation the people do at there and which types of plants and trees can find over there and about its climate. This all we have covered in the last video, and the main points of the climate, vegetations, wildlife and human occupation, this we have written in the last video only. Now here the exercises is there. After completing that chapter, the exercises is the first one, choose the correct answer. So what we are going to do today, we are going to solve the objective exercises of given in the page number 238. So in the first one, what choose the correct answer is there. 3 options are there and we have to choose the correct option. So let's write, and student you also have to write the same exercise, the objectives in your notebook. If you are thinking about the question answers, so the question answers will you provide soon, but the objective is very important to note down in your notebook. So the first one, A, there is blank space, difference between the day and night temperatures in the Savarnaha. And 3 options are: 1, a large, B, very little, C, hardly any. So the correct answer is, there is a large, there is a large difference between the day and the night temperature in the Savarnaha. So the correct option is the first one, a large. Now let's do the B, trees in the Savarnaha. Trees in the Savarnaha, blank space are there, blank space is there. 1 number option have large crowns. 2 number are flat topped. And 3 number are umbrella shaped. Now here option number 2 and 3, these both are correct. These in the trees in the Savarnaha are flat top, are in umbrella shape. So this answer is also correct and this one is also correct. Are flat top and umbrella shaped. These both options are correct. Number 2 and 3 option is correct over there. Now the C number, herbivores are found blank space. Now the options are one number in 2 or 3 in 2s or 3s, 2 number in small group, and 3 number in large herd. So the herbivores are found in large herd. So answer 3 number is correct, in large herd. Now the fourth number D I am writing here. Sisal is a fiber similar to blank space is there and 3 options silk, jute and linen. 1 silk, 2 jute and 3 linen. So the option number 2 is correct here, and what will come here at the blank space? Jute. So you just note down this all the objectives in your notebook. These are very important objective. Once you will read it, so you will get the spellings and all, because your exams are near. So the E is left. I hope student A1 is you written. So I am rubbing this A. Now I write E. The masses are blank space. The masses are blank space. This is the tried masses. Now the options are one number agriculturist, agriculturist, 2 number cattle herders, and 3 number traders. So the Maasai tribe is basically cattle herders. So the answer is option number 2 is correct. They were cattle herders. Now question number 2 is there, fill in the blanks, and 5 blank spaces are there and we have to write the correct answer in the blank space. Options are not there, we just have to write down that all. First you complete this fast, then we'll do the question number 2. Now I hope student you have written this. Now I am rubbing this all and let's do the exercise number 2. So the first one, A, the savanna grassland, the savanna grassland is South America. In South America are the savanna grassland in South America are in 2 blank spaces are there and again blank space is there. So what will come at that blank space? Venezuela first, and in the second blank space Brazil. And Brazil. Now the second is B. The savanna grassland are said to have blank space type of climate. So the answer is the savanna grassland are said to have Sudan type of climate. So the answer will come here, Sudan type of climate. Now see, the grassland lies on either side of the blank space region within the again blank space. So what is there at the blank space? The grassland lie on the either side of the equatorial region. Here will come equatorial region within the tropical belt. Now the fourth one I am writing D number. The main occupation of the Maasais is occupation of the Maasais is blank space is there. What was that tribes having the main occupation? Cattle herding. Is cattle herding. So our fifth one is left. First you complete A, B, C and D. These four fill in the blanks you complete first, then we'll see E is left. The Hausas of Nigeria are the agriculturists. This one is our left. First you complete, then we'll do that one also. I hope student the first one you have written A. So I just rub that A. And I write there E number. The houses are houses of Nigeria are, and blank space is there. The houses of Nigeria are, they are agriculturists. So here we have completed question number 2, fill in the blanks. Question number 1, choose the correct answer. This one we have completed. And question number 2, fill in the blanks. This one also we have completed. Now 3 number, say true or false is left. First you complete this, then we'll do that one also. Now question number 3, say true or false. So 5 sentences are there, we just have to write true or false. So these sentences I am not going to write on the board, I just write directly the answer of that sentences. So I hope student this one you have written. Now question number 3, true and false. What is the first sentence? The Savannah region gets lot of rainfall throughout the year. Wrong. This is wrong. So the first answer is A. Answer is false. Now B. The Savannah region has scattered short trees. Yes, this is true. It has, the Savannah grassland has the scattered short trees. Now C number, the trees in the Savannah decrease in height and density as we move away from the equator. So this is also true. C answer, this is also true. Now D number, the Savannah region has drought resident tree. So this is also true. Now E number, the Savannah region has short grass. This is wrong. So question number 3, say true or false. A, the Savannah region gets lots of rainfall throughout the year. You just open the page number 238 and beside it question number 3, say true or false, write there true or false with your pencil. The Savarnaha region gets lots of rainfall throughout the year. उसके बाजू में आपको लिखना है एरो देके ऐसे false. Now B, the Savarnaha region has scattered short trees. This is true. Write there true with pencil. C, the trees in the Savarnaha decrease in height and density as we move away from the equator. This is true. So write there true with pencil. D number, the Savarnaha region has drought and resident tree. This is also true. So write true over there. E number, the Savarnaha region has short grass. So this is wrong. This is false. So write there false with the pencil. Now question number 4 and 5 is, the questions are there, answer you will get soon, so you don't worry about the answers. You just note down this in your notebook. So here we have completed chapter 5, the Savarnaha grassland and its objective. Now we'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and thank you.